As you can see, guys, the Miata is not next to the Ninja. Got some bad news. She's in the shop already, but might have some good news. It might all be under warranty. So let me tell you the story. Had some fish sandwiches with my parents on Friday, and when I went to leave, my car would not go into gear. It's quite unfortunate. So had to get it towed from the parking lot, and we brought it to the local transmission shop, and they're telling me that I need a new slave cylinder. I guess my seal blew out on the cylinder, and all my clutch fluid, all my fluid went bye-bye. So my clutch ain't working. It's not letting my car go into gear. It's really frustrating, seeing that I've only had the car for like 8 days before it has something happen to it. But the good news is the auto shop that I bought it from, there is a 30-day warranty. So I called them. They're gonna talk to the shop, the transmission shop, on Monday and try to figure out what's going on. You know, hopefully it's under the warranty and they'll pay for it, and I'll have my car back without losing any more of this. So hopefully that's best case scenario. Worst case scenario, they try to do some sleazy shit and I have to pay some money out of my pocket, but we'll see how it goes. It's really shitty. It's like the worst time that it could have happened, the Friday before Memorial Day. So all the shops are closed, so gotta wait an extra day to see what's going on with my car. Wasn't sure if I was gonna actually make this video or not and let you guys know that something was already wrong with the car, but hey, it is what it is. That's life, right? So fuck it, roll the punches. This is real YouTube right here, real life shit. Car's breaking down. I ain't gonna fake it. I ain't gonna pretend like everything's all good. It's not. It's Monday. Haven't driven her since Friday, and honestly I really miss the Miata. This is the first car that I've ever had that's been in a shop that I'm like, man, I can't wait to drive again. But it is what it is, you know. At least I still got the Ninja. I can still have some fun out here. I can still have some fun on the bike. It's Memorial Day, you know what it is. About to get out here and enjoy some of this sun. See you later, guys. Deuces.